Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you have a little fur baby like a rabbit or other small animal at home and you want to have a nice feeding area for them, then I recommend checking out this hay feeding plus litter box that I got from Essenhome. This has been so perfect for putting the Timothy hay for my buns. I have two that are around 8 weeks old, and I got this large size. This accommodates both of them really well. Of course, they're going to get bigger, and then at that point, probably only one of them will fit in to the litter box area at a time. It actually comes partially assembled, which is also very nice. The installation went easy, and it comes with everything that you need in order to accomplish that. I like the way that it holds the hay in. Some does escape a little bit, but that's to be expected with the bars in the front. And it makes it really easy for the buns to get in and pull it out and be able to eat it. There is a nice grate that covers the litter box area, so any of their little pellets are going to just drop through that. And then it makes cleanup a total cinch. This has been perfect for our needs, and that's my point of view.